Welcome to Scrum Explained Simply. In this video, we'll break down Scrum in a clear, beginner-friendly way, covering roles, events, artifacts, and how everything fits together. Whether you're new to Agile or just want a refresher, this guide will help you understand Scrum without the jargon. What is Scrum? Scrum is an Agile framework used to manage complex work. Instead of delivering everything at the end, work is completed in short cycles called sprints. Each sprint produces a working piece of the product, called an increment. Teams then gather feedback and continuously improve. The goal is simple: deliver value early and often. Scrum is a framework. Scrum is not a rigid methodology. It doesn't tell teams exactly how to do every step. Instead, it provides a lightweight structure that focuses on outcomes rather than strict procedures. Teams decide how best to organize their work while remaining accountable. This balance creates flexibility with responsibility. Scrum Team Overview. Scrum teams are small, self-managing, and cross-functional. This means the team has all the skills needed to deliver value without relying heavily on others. 3 core roles work together closely to turn ideas into working products. Developers. Developers are the people who build the product. They design, code, test, and integrate work. Rather than being assigned tasks, developers organize their own work and share responsibility for achieving the sprint goal. In Scrum, the team owns delivery. Scrum Master. The Scrum Master acts as a coach and facilitator. They help the team understand and use Scrum effectively, remove obstacles, and protect the team's focus. Unlike a traditional project manager, the Scrum Master leads through service, not authority. Product Owner. The product owner represents stakeholders and customers. They define the product vision, prioritize work to maximize value, and manage the product backlog. Their key responsibility is ensuring the team builds the right product at the right time. Scrum Events. Scrum uses regular events to create rhythm, transparency, and alignment. These include sprint planning, the daily Scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. All of these events happen within a sprint and support continuous learning. Sprint planning. Sprint planning kicks off each sprint. The product owner presents the highest priority work, and the team selects what they can realistically complete. Together, they define a clear sprint goal. The result is a sprint backlog. Daily Scrum. The daily Scrum is a short, time-boxed meeting held every day. The team synchronizes work, identifies obstacles, and plans the next 24 hours. It's limited to 15 minutes and focused on keeping everyone aligned. Sprint Review. At the end of the sprint, the team holds a sprint review. They demonstrate completed work to stakeholders, gather feedback, and discuss what to do next. This is a collaborative conversation, not a status report. Sprint Retrospective. The sprint retrospective is a moment for reflection. The team discusses what went well, what could improve, and which actions to try in the next sprint. This event drives continuous improvement. Scrum Artifacts. Scrum artifacts create transparency and shared understanding. They include the product backlog, sprint backlog, and product increment. These artifacts help everyone see progress and priorities clearly. Product backlog. The product backlog is an ordered list of everything that might be built. It's owned by the product owner and refined continuously. Items are prioritized based on value, risk, and learning. Sprint backlog. The sprint backlog is the team's plan for the sprint. It includes selected backlog items and the tasks needed to complete them. The sprint backlog is updated throughout the sprint as the team learns. Product increment. The product increment is the most important outcome of Scrum. It is working, tested, and potentially releasable. Each sprint ends with a new increment that adds value. Agile versus Scrum. Agile is a mindset and set of values. Scrum is one framework that applies Agile principles. All Scrum teams are Agile, but not all Agile teams use Scrum. How Scrum works together. Scrum works as a repeating cycle. Work flows from the product backlog into sprint planning, then into the sprint itself, producing an increment. Feedback is gathered and the cycle begins again. This supports continuous inspection and adaptation. Key benefits of Scrum. Scrum enables faster delivery, better adaptability, and clearer roles. It promotes continuous improvement and transparency. That's why Scrum is used across many industries, not just software. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand Scrum more clearly, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.